Hello everybody, welcome back to another video of Mondo Docs. In my most recent video before this one, I went to go check out and spend a night at the historic and very haunted Hoover House in Waynesboro, Pennsylvania. Now, I'll leave a link to that video in the description if you guys want to see a full exploration of the house itself. It was a very, very interesting experience. In this video, is this going to be me walking around the basement of the place, which is a very, very active spot of the Hoover House. And also, quick reminder, there is a paranormal investigation going on upstairs of the house during my filming of this video, so you'll notice some noise pollution from that. But other than that, guys, I hope you enjoy this little creepy basement tour. Alright guys, I'm coming down to the basement right now. So, there is a public paranormal investigation thing going on upstairs. Well, not really public, it's a small group of people. So if you hear any noises, any screaming, slamming around, that's them upstairs. But basically, I'm going to give you guys a tour of this basement. Now, when I was down here the first time, Steven, the co-owner, and I got some ridiculous EVPs. And then my camera turned off, which was nuts. And then the second time I came down here, didn't film it, but we did a table tipping session over here. So right now they're doing table tipping upstairs, but we did it down here last time. Now, table tipping is a, long story short, it's a pretty antique way of communicating with spirits. Kind of like a Ouija board, but with a table. And you gotta knock on it a few times. Thought someone's right behind me, but no, okay. Anyway. This video is going to be a pretty short video. Nothing too crazy. If anything, I'm going to freak myself out because, yeah, they're walking around upstairs. And I'm just kind of down here by myself. So this is the first time I came down here. First time down here actually by myself. And this is the elevator. So this is the elevator that comes... So... how do I explain this? This is the elevator that goes up to the third floor. You can take it to the basement, from the basement to the third floor, or from the third floor to the basement. If you open it, I think it's locked right now. Right? I don't know. We won't mess with it. But we can call the elevator down if you want to. Maybe we'll do that before we leave the basement. So according to the owners, Steve and Pam, they believe that the basement used to be an old speakeasy, or used as a speakeasy. And I think they think the bar area was over here with the red on the floor. Which is why we did the table tipping over here. To see if we can, you know, conjure something up, perhaps. But most of the action apparently does take place down that little hallway, and we'll get there in a little bit. Earlier, I thought we closed that bathroom door over there. Earlier, we were over here doing a audio recording to see if we can get any EVPs, and we heard some weird noises, but that could be anything really, because we're in an old basement of an old building built in 1912. You hear some tables moving around upstairs. And you hear them talking. I'm going to give you guys a little tour of this place. And this is the one of two bathrooms. I think this was the men's bathroom. Oh, don't need the door closing on me. That's not good. Now, if you watched my first video that I did here, then you know the basement pretty well because we were down here for a little bit. Now, I absolutely do recommend watching the first video for a little more background, a little more history about the place. This is an old freezer where they used to store all the meat back in the day. So this used to be a restaurant. So the Hoover House did go through a few changes here and there. It was a nursing home, then a restaurant, then a restaurant again. Supposedly a speakeasy back in the day. So they have bottles down here to trigger any potential spirits down here. Got a few mirrors over here. Now this is the female bathroom, the woman's bathroom over here. They think there is something in here, a spirit of a woman perhaps. And it's a little chilly in here, but it's also a basement. Is there anyone down here with me right now? Is there anyone in this bathroom with me? I was down here earlier. It's my third time in this house, in this basement. Thought I heard footsteps, but I think it's just me. Maybe? I'm gonna close this door in case you're in there using the bathroom. Last time I was down here, you got a doll right there and an EMF reader. And the owners, the one owner, Steven and I, we were hanging out on these chairs over here. Close this door. It was closed before. Last time I was down here, my girlfriend Danny and the owner Steven and their friend Andrew stated they were seeing a cat, an apparition of a cat walking around down here. Unfortunately, I didn't get to see it. But that would have been awesome to see a cat walking around its basement. A little ghost cat. Is someone down here with me right now? Last time, well, the first time I was down here, my camera was turned off. And when I asked, did someone do that? We got a response. Either said yeah, or I did. Did you turn my camera off last time when I was down here? Did you used to work down here? When this place was a speakeasy? Someone upstairs told me that your name might have been... Someone went to the bathroom, apparently. Oh, basements. Someone, my friend James, told me that your name might be Butch. Is that true? Was there a Butch down here when this place was a speakeasy? Do you get lonely down here? Do you mind that I'm down here with you? Man, there's someone taking a bath upstairs. My God. Can you make yourself known? Can you turn my camera off again? Can you touch my hand? I'm going to put it out right here. And you can touch it if you want to. I don't mind you touching my hand. It's okay. Are you hiding? Hi guys, well, this is the basement of the Hoover House in Waynesboro, Pennsylvania. This is supposed to be a pretty active basement, and I assure you, it typically is. And it's my first time being down here by myself. It's an interesting feeling, to say the least. Are you in the bathroom? Can you open that door for me? Or close it all the way? If you can't, it's okay. But that'd be really cool if you did. Alright, I'm gonna go upstairs now. So I'm leaving you for the night. I might be back later tonight though. We'll see. Before I go, can you please open or close that door? All right. Hi guys, there's a lot of noise pollution from upstairs, unfortunately. Kind of kills the mood a little bit, but at the same time, not really, because like most basements, it's a pretty creepy place. But I thought I'd give you guys a little tour of the place, explore it a little bit. Thought a basement exploration might be kind of cool. Especially of a haunted bed and breakfast. Alright, well, if you guys enjoy the video, leave a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. There are a lot more videos coming your way. And thank you for watching. Someone just closed the basement door on me. I guess I live down here now. Well, I'll get comfortable. Anyway guys, thanks for watching the video. I'm gonna get out of here. Not gonna lie, I do want to see a ghost cat, because that'd be awesome to see a cat down here, but I don't think I will. Alright, anyway guys, like I said, if you liked the video, leave a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time.